Hello. I wanted to give you a quick tour of the WAMAP site. I'm sure some of you have been getting yourself familiar with it, how it works. And I just want to go over some major points here. Anytime you're getting used to a new system, I know there's a level of stress that can come about from that. It's like, oh my God, this is all dependent on technology. But I think you'll find the site to be super easy to use. What's great about it allows you to do your homework, answer questions as many times as it takes until you get it. And then it will regenerate new ones. If you want to get full credit for these, you just have to get it right on the first submission. It takes a little bit off each time you get it wrong, but you can always, once you get it right, try a new one and you'll get full credit. One of the things that I think you'll find most helpful is the calendar, as we'll see here. Up above, I've organized this stuff into, this was our getting started exercises. And then these are our homeworks. Then I have PowerPoint presentations and video lessons. Excuse me. Messages over here on the side, if you ever need to send me a message, this is the best way to do it. There's also discussion forums here, the calendar, which of course is on the main page, so you don't need that. And then your gradebook, you can always check and see how you're doing at any point in the gradebook. I can't really go into that because, but if you click on that, if you look at the past due column, that tells you what your current grade is based on assignments that have come due up to this point. Now, the best way to access the homework is through the calendar. You'll notice when you click on a calendar date, assignments appear, or the links to the assignments appear below. And next to each of the assignments, you should see a link that says use late pass. That will add 24 hours to your due date, and you'll see your homework assignment actually move to the next day. And every homework assignment should come due at midnight. I encourage you to use those late passes. You get 10 of them, and every one that you don't use will be extra credit at the end of the quarter, but they are there for you to use. So I encourage you to use them. Life gets messy, and I understand that. And so we're trying to give you wiggle room in trying to figure out the very busy schedule I'm sure all of you have. You'll notice that I picked Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays as kind of the due dates. And then Saturday, I had to pick a date for our test to be, so I'm going to put it from 6 to midnight on Saturday. If you need to work it outside of that window, that's never a problem. All you have to do is let me know ahead of time, and I can change the date for you. What you see here is not an actual link to the test. This doesn't go anywhere. It's simply something that I put in there. It's an empty assignment, just so that there's a reminder link on the calendar about that test ahead of time, so you know it's coming up. All the PowerPoints and video lessons, you're gonna see these continue to populate out, but as I make them and link them in the system here. But right now we have everything for this week in there, and you're gonna start seeing those pop up for next week as well. Again, if you need to see me, I encourage you to come see me in my office hours. I'm there to work problems with you, help you out. And if you ever have questions, please talk to me. You're not alone. You've got other students in here with you, and we're all here to make sure that you have a successful quarter. It's going to go very fast. This is a summer quarter. You may be watching this during a non-summer quarter, but for those of you who are taking a summer quarter class, you'll see that, yeah, instead of 10 weeks, we have 8 weeks. So we have to cram a lot more in there during the summer quarter. I look forward to working with you, and let's make this a great quarter, everybody. Thank you.